Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am somewhere, this is a lift, but where is this lift is very important, will excite a lot of MBA aspirants, so stay tuned, I'll show you around.
This place has got to do with this kind of a wall, this color and this style of a wall, so I'm not sure if you can still make out. Okay, so I'm just showing you around some places with the hope that you'll make out what this place is where I am right now. If you still haven't been able to make it out, just don't worry, I'll be sharing with you one iconic shot of this place and you will know exactly where I am. Okay, one more hint for you guys. I'll just show you something which is there on the wall, Kaksha 11, Sankhya 5 और 8. Now if with this you can make out where exactly I am, I just want you to pause the video right now and comment on it that where do you think I am. So guys, if you still haven't been able to make out where I am, then here it is. Hi guys, so yes, I am at IIM Ahmedabad right now. I am at the mecca of MBA education in India and also in Asia. I can safely say that to you. Now, one of the biggest reasons why I am here, and I'll be sharing a few vlogs to you from here itself. One of the biggest reasons why I am here is that, on my channel and on my blog, I always speak to you about that, how MBAs should take up freelancing, how MBAs should build personal brands, how MBAs should think out of the box and probably even live out of the box and build startups of their own. Because once you focus on these things, once you focus on building your personal brand, then you can actually achieve a lot of other outcomes for yourself as well. So even if you're somebody who wants just a job, who wants a placement, which is absolutely fine, you can achieve all of that if your personal brand is very strong, if you have built something, if you have created something, and that is one way, one short way in which all MBAs, irrespective of which B school you are from, you can win. Now, once I'm saying that, okay, any MBA student should do all of these things, I thought that why not go to the mecca. Oh my god, there's a helicopter right above me. So I thought that, okay, if I'm advising that all MBA students can do this, all MBA students across which B school you may be from, then I thought that why not just go to the mecca, the best business school in India as per a lot of MBA aspirants, as per almost every MBA aspirant out there. Why not just go there, stay there for some time and experience that, what do students think about it, and absorb that, okay, what is it that the students really want even at the best school. And now in this next few series of vlogs which I'll be sharing to you from IIM Ahmedabad, what you'll realize is that even students at the best business school can make a great deal for themselves if they focus on all of these things. All of that I'll be sharing with you for sure. And yeah, do not also forget to hit the like and subscribe so that I can share with you more such content regarding your MBA.